What's going on, guys? In the following video, I want to talk about this infographic next to me. And it's about getting money to start Amazon FBA when you have nothing of your own to sell. In short, this infographic is mostly about taking a look at your current situation in terms of where are your dollars going now and reallocating how much you spend in each category. Hi guys, my name is Jake Diego, and on this channel I talk about ways to improve your Amazon business. Also, I share with you my goals so that you can hold me accountable, as well as maybe you want to pick some of these up yourself, and also some personal development things. Number one is take a look at the money that you're spending eating out. Now, the reason that I'm attacking this one right away from the get-go is you spend $10 a meal. Let's say you eat out at least a meal a day. That's $70. Then that's only one meal. So it depends what you have going on. I was actually able to feed myself from Aldi store for around $63.50. So you already can see how this is gonna stockpile, because that was for all 3 meals a day. So that is number one, because I think that's where a lot of people can axe out dollars. And in the past, that's what I did growing up. The second step, which some of you may argue should be number one, is know what your expenses are. I know it's a little scary, guys, to go into your bank account, to go into your credit cards, to look at those things and see what's happening, but it's going to open your eyes to what you're actually spending money on. So take a look and find out, what is my transactions this month? What was my credit card bill last month? What is maybe some other accounts, a Venmo, a cash account, any payment method you use. Take a look at the last 3 months for them and go ahead and chart where the dollars are actually going. Make sure to write it all down or use an Excel sheet, and don't forget things like entertainment, gasoline, household expenses, maybe some kind of kitchen rent or mortgage. Number 3 is reoccurring expenses. So this would be like a Netflix, utilities, anything like that comes out every month, because these can sometimes be hidden and you may not even know that you're paying for $4.99 for Pandora, or something else is coming out of the App Store every month, maybe a sleep app. Once again, bank accounts, credit cards, PayPal account, Venmo account, anything where you may have dollars in it. Number 4 is actually decide how much you want to cut. If you can cut $25 every month and set that aside, good. If it's 50, that's even better. 75 is even better yet. So figure out how much money you can cut, how much money you can set aside from those normal expenses, and make little changes so that you can save up that money to get products for Amazon FBA. Starting up an account doesn't actually cost anything, but it's the products that cost things. Just to elaborate a little bit more on the food budget here, I'll include a screenshot of all the different foods that I made during that $63.50 that I spent at Aldi's during the week. If you have tips on how to reorganize your finances so that people may be able to set money aside for Amazon FBA, definitely comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.